Hey everyone, don't know if you can hear me, but I'm on board what they call an ocean jet fast ferry over to Cebu. Finally leaving Bullhole today, so yeah, I'm gonna miss this place. This was really good. Hey everyone, I made it to the town where I'm spending the night here. It's the town's name is Dano, and I'm taking a ferry across to the Camotes Islands tomorrow morning. So I gotta be at the ferry for 10 o'clock. Ferries leave at 11. So yeah, I'm just staying here one night. This place is nothing special, but so yeah, you know, at least you got a nice sea view here. So Camotes Islands are going to be about 2 hours straight out, so should be okay. Hello, we're at Scott's Sea View Resort here. I'm going to take you into the room and just show you what it is here. Nothing special, no TV. It's got AC though, so that's good. But yeah, this is just a one-night stopover. So small little desk here. We do have a kettle. I don't know why the mirror's on the floor, but it's okay. Got the AC and the bed. And a guest kit. And the wardrobe thing there. Check out the CR here quick. Yeah, so there's a shower. I don't know if there's hot water, but I'm not going to need that. So it's good enough for one night, and it'll get me through. So we catch that ferry tomorrow and get over the Camotes, and got a place booked over there 4 nights. So this place, just so you know too, does have a pool, and I only paid 1,000 pesos, so it's only a $25 room. So nothing special, but when you're just waiting to catch a ferry, it's gonna work. Hey everyone, finally made it to where I was going today. I left Danao there at about I got to the ferry boat around 9:30, I believe. Ferry didn't leave till 11:30. It was only 300 pesos. So took that across to Camotes Islands, Cebu. So I just arrived at my resort, and I'll take you for a quick walk here. They call it Azores is the name of the place. And from what I've seen, looks pretty darn nice here. I just checked in, and I booked a standard room. But because I'm staying for 4 nights, they gave me a free upgrade to a deluxe room. You're gonna have to see it. It looks pretty good. So, give you a view of the grounds here as you're driving in. Very nice. I think this is under new ownership, so they're still doing a bit of work on their startup by the looks of it here, but it's quite impressive. It's quite the road you gotta come up to get here too. So I don't know what kind of tree that is, but all its flowers are falling off. There's no leaves. Well, there's a couple leaves. Yeah, I don't know what's going on with that tree. Never seen a tree like that neither. It's almost like some kind of spruce. Interesting. So there's some rooms over here. And then obviously we got the restaurant there. And it looks like there's a single bungalow over here you can rent too. right there. Quite nice looking. Really nice looking, actually. And then this is my room over here. So there's the bar and the restaurant. And they got a stage up there. I don't know if they do something at night here, party-wise, or what, but yeah, it's interesting. So yeah, I just got here, and so yeah, 2 big beds in here. Look at the wardrobe. So yeah, it's pretty nice. And then back here we got a nice shower. Oh, rainfall, waterfall. I'm sure it's hot water, by the way. I don't see a heater here, but they could just have hot water. Oh, there's the hot water tank right there. And the so you get the sink out here and the bathroom in the bathroom. So yeah, very nice fancy dancy room here, really. I don't see a TV, but no big deal. And we'll take a quick walk down here to the beach. Supposedly it's got a private beach here, so lots of rooms over here. Nice sitting area. And this way to the pool and the beach. Oh, a bungalow overlooking the actual ocean. Wow. Huh, it doesn't look like the pool's open. I don't know. I'll have to ask them about that one. Be nice to have a pool. And then this is the view. Looks like that building got damaged by something. I don't think that's part of the resort anyways, but it's been raining here, so everything's a little bit slippery. So I'm trying to be a little careful I don't fall and break something. So high tide right now, not much of a beach, but I'm sure at low tide it's pretty good. It does look sandy there. So yeah, quite the resort actually. So yeah, you can kind of see how clear that water is. I don't really call that a beach, but we'll have to see what it looks like at low tide. I don't know what this is over here. Oh, I guess it's supposed to be a hot tub. Oh, and the water would be coming over, yeah. So I don't think they got their pool up and going here. I just found another pathway, so I'm going to take a quick walk up here and see what's up this way. Another sitting area. stairs over there, and there's stairs back here, so. That brings you up to the sitting area. Oh, another little pool here. And another pool. Yeah. Yeah, not in use, I don't think.